So let's see the quick demo of battle with OpenCode and FreeBuff. Which one is better? So yeah, here I just build both game with this two IDE, and yeah, once you run this game, now see here I can just run. Even I just there's a many things over here which I just build from FreeBuff using DeepSeek model, which is completely free. Same things if I just here this game we just build from OpenCode, and yeah, so we will check like which one is better. So yeah, coding perspective, compile perspective, creating a game perspective, and which one is fast, which one is slow, which one is better, which one has best quality and all. So everything actually we will compare over here. So yeah, side by side comparison and which one is better and all. So yeah, let's moving to build this both game using this both IDE with the free DeepSeek model. And yeah, before we start, I'm especially recommend first if you first time visit my channel, so go to my channel which is .NET Relevant Example, and in here I'll just especially recommend this two session where I just set up our this FreeBuff along with the DeepSeek, and also OpenCode along with the DeepSeek. Okay, and yeah, if you learn more over here like AI integration, full stack front end back end as a full stack development, and also if you want to build game development and mobile development and all, so yeah, you can learn many things over here. So let's moving to start implementation. So first let me open there's two terminal BS code where I just open first OpenCode and one terminal, and another one is FreeBuff. And if you don't know like how we can set up, and also yeah, I'm just already recommend, so visit my channel and check out that how we can set up and how we can use it as a free. So here I'll just currently see both as nothing. There's a nothing over here, just except that free open empty folder. So what I'll trying to do over here, we just provide same prompt or same requirement to build one of the game, and we will see and which one is better and which one is fast, right? And also just compare both, like which one is better for us as a coding perspective, right? So yeah, I'll just try to build a game. So yeah, simply I have that prompt, and simply I can just ask over here, simply see. So this is my prompt. If you want, you can take it my description. So yeah, this is actually basically this is we can say war train Roblox Hero Defender game which have 3D third person action and all. So basically I just want to create a game and compare this as a battle with open code and a free pub. Okay, and same things I just paste over here and hit enter. So now see, it's got a start, and same things I can hit enter. So now both I just provide like as per my requirement, right? And see which one is better and which one is quickly implement and provide that solution. And let's see. So far if I just expand over here, yeah, so see, I see, let me check here. Yeah, so both side so far I can see they just create that open code has little fast over here, right? And rather than this FreeBuff also just providing me to create a index HTML and other package, but here I can see they just create the JS and index file and all. Yeah, so almost nearby, but yeah, I think uh, that open code it provide me quickly create their options and on, and also see they just provide audio files and utilities and then index file. But if I just compare architecture level, so I think FreeBuff is the best because they just provide properly offline integration using the byte server. Okay, so yeah, let's see the quality also, like once they build the game, how look like they just provide all that features as per our requirement, and which one is properly running and without any issue. So yeah, also we will try to which one is better to uh, debug and also fixing that issues. So yeah, let's wait to complete. So far I can see still both are running, but if I just little bit up, so for FreeFab I can see there's a to-do list and there's the all that plan actually they just created over here, right? But now only the two step is pending over here, like install dependencies and review the code review. Okay, but for open code I don't see such kind of things over here, like okay, what kind of they just started and completed, and they just start their itself, they have that requirement and they just create itself. There is a no such kind of to-do list or a requirement list or task list over here. So yeah, there's another gap I can see in this here. So yeah, for this perspective actually, for that create a plan and accordingly whatever the task actually they just completed, they just provide this completion check as well. So for this actually FreeFab is better for now. Okay, so yeah, I think yeah, let's wait another 6. Yeah, for here I can see, yeah, immediately I can see the to-do list over here also. And yeah, they also just provide but not like this way. So see, this is the better I guess. And here, okay, so now finally they just try to test and fix, okay, to runtime. So yeah, let's wait to complete both. And yeah, for other things also we can notice over here, see, while they code review and all, the last step was code install dependency, right? So after that they just notice some issue actually. See, the code review and also they just have to fix enemy and other things. So yeah, they just find some things and then they just add it, because previously it was only till code review, right? But now they find actually might be some issue. So yeah, that's why they added other task as well. So they just trying to fix issue as well. So here I can see whatever they have generated, right? So after that also they get and accordingly they just try to fix it over here. So there, this is nice also. But yeah, for here I don't see anything suspicious or something like that for open code. Yeah, I think for here I think this is little better over here. And yeah, for FreeFab I also notice over here the once they fix everything, after that again they just have that another things where is build and verify the project compiles. So yeah, this is nice things also, right? Because see, once they have built anything and as a manual also we have built a game and build application, definitely we have to try to verify our uh, project, right? Like it is there any compilation issue and all, right? So they itself they're trying to do, that is fine. And if you go down, yeah, so yeah, now I can see they almost done, like I think done. So if I just go down, okay, fine. So yeah, now we can tell free FreeBuff actually faster rather than open code. This is the main things over here. So yeah, and still actually I can see it is running actually test and fix runtime issue. But yeah, it is just completed. And also they just provide that nice instruction, like how we can start our game or how can start the play. And also whatever that instruction they just provide, okay, WASD to move mouse look and everything, and E for swing sword, and then Q for throw the seeking knife. And yeah, that is pretty much good. And apart from this, what other things also they just provide the suggestion. So as per your application, right, application or whatever things you just trying to build. So over here you can say, okay, so add sound effect and also refine the combat balance. Yes, that is fine. Add more weapon, add tutorial UI. Okay, so that we will trying to add later on, but yeah, I think it's fine. So what I'll do, meanwhile open code is it's completing, so I'll just go to another terminal, and in here I'll just try to run this application. So whatever instruction they just provide, I'll just follow same, so that we can understand, okay, as per they follow, as per the instruction they are correctly or not. Okay, so first actually we need to npm install. So go back, go to that npm install. Sorry, I misspell over here, npm. Okay, so npm install whatever dependencies install, then we can simply this npm run deb. Okay, so go here, clear out here first, and simply npm run deb, hit enter. Perfect. Now my application is running on this port, and side by side I can see this is running. Okay, perfect. And yeah, so I can see they just start over here, and yeah, wow, this is perfect. See, as per based on this enemy, actually they just, but a little dark over here. Even if I just see, as I just weapon, use that weapon, this is also fine. Even I just fire that bullet, perfect. And yeah, I can just based on that mouse, I can just movement over here. Oh my god, this is nice actually. Okay, so yeah, if I just WSC, perfect. But yeah, for bullet actually I can see it is fine for initial level, but yeah, not look like, the nice animation, affected animation, right, as like BFX, right? So yeah, for that we will try to modify also, not an issue. But now we this time actually we trying to battle, so that's fine. Let me, okay, so if I just check out over here, oh my god, even, okay, so now game over, that's fine. Even I want to see where is that sound effect. So yeah, let me take this, and yeah, also just allow to volume over here so that you can listen this sound effect. Okay, yeah, so I don't think so you are able to listen this. Okay, now I can see, might be you are able to listen this sound effect. Okay, yeah, so it is pretty much good. Even yeah, now build game over, fine. So yeah, I think this is fine. Also we will little bit modification, like it is showing very dark game, right? I'm not able to see clearly picture. So yeah, that we will try. So meanwhile I want to see still, oh my god, see, open code is still is test and fix runtime issue. Yeah, I think meanwhile whatever they just trying to do, right? So yeah, I'll just trying to, okay, so I'll just what I'll do, first actually I just want to add whatever they suggested, right? So yeah, let me, if I just simply click over there, which one you want to, so you can just simply add over there. So based on this actually they take that requirement in FreeBuff, and they will start modification itself. So this is nice things. So yeah, let's wait for that. And yeah, because I just want to little bit modification as per the game. And also see, the first time if it is generating complete game without any issue, right? So this is nice thing actually for free buff over here. No error, nothing. Whatever that initial level error, they itself get it and fix it before run, right? So yeah, that is awesome job actually. Okay, so you can see again they just create to do list. There's a many options is over here. They actually try to do update player and health check and all, that is fine. As I can see other whatever they provide suggestion, I just add it, so that also again completed before this testing, like open code. So yeah, still open code, I don't know why is this particular time actually got stuck. Yeah, let me ask, okay, is there any issue still taking time to test? So yeah, we can just ask this, like, okay, and see whatever actually I just provide this saying okay it is a queue, that means still it is running, their task is not completed, so that's why it's queue. So but yeah, over here I can see my this kind of in here actually they just completed. So what I'll do, I'll just trying to test like for FreeBuff game. So let me refresh, and if I refresh, so yeah, now I do see some issue I think. So if you go here, yes, so now I can see some error. So simply I can just copy and go back here during playing and all. Yeah, so might be I just control F and all might be, so that's why it's getting issue. But yeah, just submit. Okay. Yeah, I think they okay. So still, I think they have not complete. They are just some task in to-do list. Okay, I think they are asking to some question. Okay, so yeah, I don't require as of now. Let me close that. Okay, yeah, I think now I can ask. Okay, whatever we are seeing in our application, right? So, I am getting error while running game, and simply I can just paste my issues over here. I think that pretty much good. They can just analyze and they can fix it. Okay, so see, they just find two bug, even they just also calculate like how many bug actually based on this. So yeah, getting two bugs, and now they just trying to fix the code itself over here. So yeah, meanwhile they are fixing actually. Let me see, might be they are fixed some issue. Let me open that, and yeah, refresh this. Perfect. Now I can see. Okay, might be you are not able to see properly due to my camera position. Yeah, let me try to hide my camera position over here. Yeah, so yeah, now you can see this nice starting point. So for the visualization, and here we can just begin mission, and if I just begin over here, perfect. And even if I just try to do movement here and this, okay, so yeah, little compact animation is over there. I think this is pretty much good, but still there's a some dark side is this game, right? Might be, yeah, so let me try to even I can see the two for this uh, okay, yeah, I think it's nice. So yeah, let me, I think once they complete I will try to more visible this game, because I can see game is working fine, Roblox action actually fine, but I don't see properly visible. Actually it's little dark, right? Because it is a war game, so yeah, look like it should be a dark position, right? So yeah, perfect. Okay, I think let's moving to back over here, and yeah, now it's completed. Again, let me fix my camera, and yeah, now it's completed. And also I can see again they suggested something to in combat balance and all, but yeah, that is fine. What I'll trying to do over here actually, currently I do see that visualization not correct, right? So that we will fix. Okay, simply actually I just ask, okay, now it's look like dark mode, right? So make it a light color or light environment, right? So simply hit enter. But yeah, still I do see still they have same position, right? Open code, might be they got stuck somewhere while they testing and all, I don't know, but yeah, look like some issue, right? Even if I just go to this file, yeah, also they are using the simple simple way without any other dependency application. So yeah, if I want to run, I guess it should be run easily. So yeah, let me run this guy also parallelly. So open this folder, and where is my project? Yeah, here's my project. So yeah, simply if I just run this, yeah, I do see it is running, but it is any happening over here? Nothing. So yeah, let me see, is there any error or all? Yeah, so could be some issue. Okay, yeah, I think other way also. Yeah, if it is issue for this, course issue, definitely they have to fix. On even if you want to run, so definitely I can run this game using their 3GS server. Yeah, that will do later on. But yeah, let me check first uh, they they are able to fix or not. Okay, so yeah, let's see. Okay, I can see now whatever I made a change for FreeBuff game. So yeah, they just completed, and what they have done, let me close this. Okay, so yeah, what change they have done, let me see. So yeah, basically they just background, bright light change summary over there, and also they just saying okay, run this game, and also they suggested if you want. So yeah, setting up menu. Okay, so if you want to setting up menu as well for that, so yeah, you can just add it. But yeah, let me just, yeah, it is running, but yeah, close it and run it again. So might be that could be, yeah, now it's running. And yeah, again I need to change my camera position. Okay, now I think you can able to see easily. Okay, so now this is nice entry, and if I just begin, wow, now see, now look like crazy, right? Wow, see, even if I just compact, yes, nice animation as well. Even both I can just fire, even shotgun also is fire over there, right? Perfect, perfect. Now it looks great, right? So yeah, I think that's pretty much good for this FreeBuff side. But yeah, let me now try to check that open code. Actually it is still they are running. So what I can do in this case, so I'll just open another terminal, because I'll just try to see manually run this application, might be how look like. And yes, so for that I can just simply use npx serve dot, because this is a 3js application. So uh, to run the server actually using this command nps serve dot, and yeah, it will run this port. So yeah, just simply you can just copy, go back to here, another browser, and run this. Okay, so yeah, basically they using inside that. So yeah, I'm going to that. Yes, so yeah, if I just move, yeah, it is moving. Even if I just hit, okay, hitting, yes, it is hitting also, but something messy actually. So okay, so if I just try to hit, okay, so see, it is just hitting but not kill that enemy actually. So some issue I guess. Okay, but first time actually one just build over there, right? So this is fine. Even shooting also not working, I can see. Shooting not working, yeah. So yeah, I think there is some couple of issues over there, right? To compare actually, so see, now we see this both game, right? Actually we can fix as well over here, that is fine. But to initial level actually build this game using this FreeBuff, right? So that was better for this, right? Everything was there, there's a no error, even if you see both side by side, so that you can just understand. Yeah, let me just, yeah, so yeah, so if I talk about, let me separate over here. Okay, so now I'll just split both game. like this is actually created by FreeBuff and this is by created by an open code. Okay, so yeah, now we will just final conclusion over here, like which one is better. So yeah, as I can see, for initial starting point when they start the build the game, so yeah, the open code was winner. Okay, and later on that free pub actually winner, they complete it, once they complete it, but still open code is not properly completed, right? So that we have to do in manually. So yeah, in this case also, in this case, like free buff actually the second time winner. Okay, and then for first time for game, a running game perspective, right? So yeah, FreePub is the winner because there was no issue, only there was a dark mode background, but yeah, that is fine, but there is a no issue that player is properly running and properly kill that enemy and all. So yeah, that's that perspective also the winner of FreeBuff. And yeah, another one is like for this that initial level game, right? So we can see that open code is not properly built that first time, right? There's a so issue, like they are not able to kill that enemy and nothing happened, right? So yeah, I think both perspective actually we can see free buff actually is better than with open code. So yeah, you can just try and compare, but yeah, later on we will try other also, like it is the first time actually we just battle with two, but yeah, definitely we will try other stuff. Might be sometimes open code is winner or sometimes is free buff is winner, right? So yeah, that we will check, I think 2 3 times, then we can go to that final conclusion actually which one is finally better, right? So yeah, so far thank you so much, and if you want to build anything using this comparison and also, please feel free to comment. And yeah, thank you, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share.